Okay, so hello guys. I'm going to play Bee Swarm. So I'm going to join my friend, and it's so I played Bee Swarm a long time ago, but I still like it. And okay, so I'm gonna check if he. Oh, he's in the game. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this hive. So look how many bees I got. Like 1, 2. I'm not gonna count that too much. So if you didn't play this game before, you have to get these flowers and better ones. And if you have 5 bees, then you can go to that area. If you have 15, if you have 10 bees, you can go to that area. If you have 15 bees, you can go to that area. If you have 20 bees, you can go to that area. I have 20 bees, so I can go to that area. He doesn't know I'm recording. And I'm not gonna tell him. Oh, what did he say? Oh, when he finds out this, he's okay. So if you have 5 bees, then you can access here, and then you can also fight. You can fight like bugs or like spiders and grasshoppers and animals. So when you kill them, you get a cool rewards. So these tickets. So if you get 50 one of these tickets, then you can you can buy 1 golden egg, and with the golden egg, if you hatch it, then you can you get a very good bee or just a normal bee. Okay, so with these, I'm gonna wait. So you don't kill the animals. Your bees do. So you have to let your bees kill them. I got 21 tickets. So this is a treat. So if you you can feed these with your bees, and if you do, your bees get happy. Because some of them get sad, and I don't know why. I can do this, and it brings me to this. So there's a ladybug and rhino beetle. I think that was the angry bee. So if you get 8 bees, then you can use a slingshot to slingshot you over here or up there. So I have a parachute. That means I can just do you see the parachute like this? That's a little bit helpful, because if you're up in the high cliffs like that and that, you can just go down with the parachute. You can upgrade your parachute to go faster. That'll help you a lot. So I want to show you a secret. So when you go up here to the werewolf area, so where the werewolf spawns over there, do you see that hole? You can actually go in it, and there's a golden egg there, but be careful because there's spiders. The spider can kill you. I already did it, and I didn't realize you could actually buy the golden egg as well. Once and then I realized you buy the golden eggs. So if you go down here, Sporky. Oh my god, I don't know how to say that. But the Sporky just like so if you like kill them, you get like the same thing like if you kill all the animals. But there's a boss in this game, and the boss is like over there. So when you go there, like there's a boss you can fight, and if you kill the boss, I don't know what's gonna happen because I never killed it before, but I saw people trying to kill it, and I don't know what it looks like when you just like killed it. So I will show you what the boss looks like. It's a snail. I have no idea, but I think that but a werewolf is better than snail in real life, like stronger than a snail. And that means why didn't the werewolf be the boss? And I was like thinking like years ago. Okay, so this is the snail. It's look at its health, by the way. That much health. Serious. So you can just. It doesn't like come for you. It just goes on around this piece of wood. Like where it's not it's touching the flowers. So there's another secret. Where is it? Okay, so it's over here. See, there's something down there. If you go there, there's a bear. It's one of the bosses as well. See? Oh, stop honey. Earn a pumpkin. Yeah, that's my friend. Okay, so the bear is chasing me. See that bear? Yeah. And I don't know. I keep on getting killed in this one. Because what happens if you touch this tree? Oh no, I'm dead. Okay, let me just reset. Yeah. Wait, there's a. Okay. Is he still in here? Oh, he's still here. I'm gonna tell him I'm just recording him like when his game finishes, so yeah, he's gonna be surprised. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, so this parkour, where does it lead? I forgot where it leads. When you finish the popcorn, you can get one of these royal jellies. I was saying royal jelly. You can, if you have this royal jellies and you have a bee, like a normal bee, then you can give the bee one of the royal jellies, and it turns the bee like into like a different bee. See, look. I gave all of these royal jellies and they turn into different views. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to go to this ant thing, and so you need a ticket to go. So I got it. I mean your bees kill the ants. When it's finished, okay, where's my friend? Oh. Okay, bye guys. This is the end of the video. Okay, please subscribe and like and comment.